Hello and welcome to the TCG Sensei. I am the TCG Sensei, and this is Amber.
Hi.
Next packs. Okay, next pack. We want more full arts. We want another alt art would be really good. See that?
See that? Victini. Meditate.
Meditate. Colorless
Whatever
energy.
colorless energy thingy this is. Melmetal.
Melmetal, yes. Melmetal. I was struggling with his name as well.
I was thinking Medtang and or Meltan, Melmetal. 230.
He's a strong
I think the other
boy.
one had 240 for that one that we saw.
He's a
I don't know
strong
what
boy.
Pokemon it was now. He's a strong boy. His health though isn't as impressive.
It was
yeah, the Incineroar, yes.
Incineroar. But Incineroar's a stage 3, Melmetal's a stage 2. True.
And Mega. I don't know how you Mega Pokemon in the game.
Oh, is
in
that
the
a
TCG.
Mega Incineroar?
Or is it an EX? I'm sorry, yeah, it's
Yeah,
just an EX. Never mind.
Alright, next.
Kitty.
Skitty. Scyther.
Right there.
Kitty Fly. What is that?
Ancient Donphan.
He's grumpy.
Iron Tusks?
Iron Tusk.
I'm guessing. That was a guess.
Oh!
Hey! Full Art Cutie Fly!
Full Art Cutie Fly. It's so cute. What's that behind it? What's the woodpecker Pokemon?
Picky Peck, I think.
Picky Peck? They're so
Great
cute.
Tusk.
Great Tusk. They're so cute. I love this artwork. I love it.
Your friend will be jealous if you still have that friend.
Oh, I'm going to send a picture of this to her right after we're off the phone. Right away. She's actually a tattoo artist, and she is interested after her apprenticeship is done to move here to be a tattoo artist.
Oh, I wouldn't think that this Japan would be the best place for that.
You'd be surprised. What's his name?
Metachamp.
Metachamp?
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 Something like that. Shroomish.
Shroomish.
There's the Meltan.
Meltan. Some kind of
Some item.
And then the third form of the bird?
Oh, pheasant. Unpheasant, I think.
Unpheasant? Okay.
Unpheasant?
Unpheasant.
I think it's unpheasant.
Unpheasant. The around the base, there's like 6 or 7 tattoo parlors. Because, you know,
but that's like you got
foreigners
the
get tattoos.
Yeah, the foreigners. Yeah, but for like the non-foreigners.
I mean, the younger people get tattoos.
Yeah.
Lickitung? Shroom?
Breloom.
I
Yeah,
wonder
Shroom is the little one. Metang.
Hey, there's Metagross.
Hey, there's the Metagross.
Metagross. I always want to call him Metacross. Why do I want to call him Metacross? Why?
I don't know.
Because he's got a cross on his forehead?
Probably. I'm pretty sure it's Metagross.
What's the Deerling's evolution?
That is a very good question.
It's very cool. Is that a Ghibli?
Sawsbuck.
Sawsbuck. Okay. Sawsbuck. Sawsbuck. Do a little flippy flip.
Happy little Drillbur.
Drillbur.
Torracat.
Torracat. Licky Licky. What was his name?
Rebska.
Oh.
Ooh, shinies.
What is that?
Oh, that's the tracking and ancient. Was it
Oh,
iron?
that guy?
Yeah, that guy. Yeah,
This is Iron Boulder.
Iron Boulder.
Iron Boulder EX. I would have preferred to get the alternate art rare, but that's fine. EX. All right, we're getting down to the last few.
It's not too late.
That's
You
true.
can still get the alternate art rare.
That's true. That's true. Hanko. Litten.
Pikachu!
A thing to massage Pikachu.
No, that's a razor.
A thing to massage Pikachu.
Oh
Oh, baby!
no. Ooh.
Secret rare.
The Levy one.
Yeah, Iron Leaves. Iron Leaves secret rare. Let's go. Wasn't the alternate secret rare. Alternate art rare, but that's fine. That's fine with me. That's a cool pool. Do.
Grab in.
Grubbin.
Wow.
Mawwall. Charbug.
Charge bug.
Ooh,
Down, guys.
that's an anchor. You can't trick me.
With the little spinny thing. And visual.
Spinny thing.
Steering wheel.
Yeah, there you go. The steering wheel. The spinny thing. Okay. What was it called?
Oh god. Bramble?
Oh, Bramble.
Something
That's
like
right.
that.
Mr. Mime. Bedlam.
Delicate.
Delicat. Ooh.
Ooh. Melting full art.
Meltane full art. That's very cool. Very,
Look at
very
this.
cool.
Is he like eating the sparks or like showering in the sparks?
Yeah, I think they're showering in them because, like, it looks like above them there's some kind of welding going on,
Or... Uh-huh.
and they're just like
Just
dancing and playing in the sparks.
Give me those good sparks.
Yeah, give me that good.
That one's cute.
That's super
We got some
cute.
full art, so this is good.
Yeah, so I think it was that you're guaranteed 3 full arts. So I got the 1, 2, and 3. So these are our guaranteed 3 full arts. And then you're guaranteed 1 secret rare.
Okay, that was a secret rare. And then what
Yeah.
was the...
So the ace,
The ace
is
card.
like a surprise. You're not guaranteed an ace. So this is a very good
Okay.
pull, but it would have been better to get it for something else.
Mhm.
And then you are supposed to get like I think 4 to 8 double rares. So we're still
And those are all the EXs that
Yeah.
we've gotten so far?
yeah, we've only gotten 3. So we're still, I think, guaranteed 1.
We got how many packs left?
Like 6, 7.
Mhm.
Still got 7.
Okay.
So we've hit our quota for all of the rare stuff. So anything past this will be bonus.
Come on, bonus.
Yeah. So if we get any
But
more
still, like,
arts,
possibly for like an EXE kind of card.
yeah, we're still supposed to get 1 more EX card. Now, if we get another art rare, that might take the spot of the EX card.
Mm-hmm. Which would be preferred to me at least.
Sure,
I'd rather have
yeah.
the art rare.
Deerling,
Dealing,
Slugma,
Slugma,
Pigeon,
Fido,
Fortress.
Fortress.
Ooh,
Macargo.
Cargo. Rare.
Kind of like him.
I do too. That's a cool art. And like I'm not against getting these. It's the duds that I do not want. If we could get the rest of the packs with rares, I'd be fine with that.
Mm-hmm. Just those commons coming at.
Yeah, the commons and
4 or
uncommons,
5.
like that's such a swift kick in the nuts. See that? Can you fly? What is it?
Meditate.
Meditate.
Shift tree. It's like number 3 shift tree.
Shift tree. This boy again.
Excadrill.
Excadrill.
Like a pack like that.
Yeah, that's devastating.
That hurts the huevos.
Mm-hmm. Scyther. The Katang? What's his name?
No, Meltan.
Meltan. Another
Itemy thingy.
Yep.
It might be for the ancients. Ooh, what's this one?
Yes.
Oh, that's the guy in the middle left.
This is
I
Iron
forget his name.
Thorns? So there's Iron Leaves, Iron Boulder, and I think Iron Thorns.
No, Iron Thorns was the
Oh,
Tyranitar.
you're right. It's Iron something.
It's the Cobalion Ancient.
Look it up real quick. Got the page up.
Iron
Crown.
It's not Iron Crown. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Do you want me to just send you the list? It'll be a lot easier.
Well, maybe.
Yeah. Let me just send this to you. There you go. And you can just go to find the picture, and then it'll have it. I think I did the pack trick.
Oh, I don't know. I wasn't paying attention to you.
I think I did it. We'll find out, sure enough. What is his name? Shroom something? Shroomish.
Don't eat them.
Electabuzz. Very poisonous. Do not eat. Drillbur?
Yep.
Did do the pack trick. Or it's a dud pack.
Electivire.
Vire. Ooh!
Oh, this is the
The
evolution of the Bramble. Brambleghast.
Brambleghast.
Bramblin and Brambleghast.
I could have bought him the other day too, but I did not. Because who wants this Pokemon?
How much they have him for sale for?
$0.30, I think. I think those are
30 yen.
Yeah. I think the normal rares are just in like 35-cent piles. Dung Beetle.
Rellor, I think.
Licky. What was his?
Torracat.
Special energy. And then the beetle. Last two. Let's see if we're lucky. We've hit our quota on everything. We have hit our quota on everything. Go.
It's Pikachu!
Litten. Groomer.
Ribombee.
And then the last.
No mas.
Grubble?
Grubbin.
Grubbin.
Matang.
Matang.
Bettini.
Bettini. What's his name?
You had said his name was Sebastian.
Sebastian.
Oh, no, it's Salvatore.
Salvatore.
And a Sawsbuck.
Sawsbuck. All right. If you enjoyed that opening, please give us a like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Later.